How to change Google account on any Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device. As you launch the settings application, simply scroll down. Here you can see the option of Google, so just tap on the Google option. As you can see, you have an account that you have currently associated on your Android. Now, if you want to change it, simply tap on this arrow button beside your email ID or the Google account. And as you do that, it will give you different options of the Google account that you have associated in your Android over here. There are different accounts. So if you have not done that, you can just tap on add another account or manage accounts on this device. Otherwise, you can just select on any of these other Google account. And as you do that, you'll be able to change your Google account on any Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.